Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So for my video today, I'm going to be showing you how I have tackled my utility room, how I've organised it and just generally given it a bit of a glow up. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you're not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and joining me here on YouTube.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
Okay, so we are in the utility and it just needs a good old sort out. So this is a load of washing. This is Penny's load. I'm just waiting to pop that on overnight so it will be hung out in the morning. And then I mentioned this in one of my vlogs. So I'd actually bought some storage from B&M along with this bamboo tray, and I've ordered some labels. I'll link everything in the description, but I got these from Etsy. These are from B&M, the tray is from B&M, and these are from IKEA. I actually managed to get these in the special buy at B&M, and they're £3. And what I'm thinking is that I will have fabric softener in these, scent boosters in that one, and then my washing tabs in this one, and then I'm probably thinking that this one will have my dishwasher tablets in, so I'm going to move this one to the kitchen, and then this is for my fridge, so we'll sort the fridge out after. That needs a good old sort out, but yeah, it's just not looking too great in here. The sink needs sorting. It all just looks really cluttered. And I bought a new mop. I just want to put this away. Want to give everything a nice wipe down. All the doors need to be wiped down. I'm not going to sort out in the cupboards because I'll obviously lose a few things like that packet when I sort the tabs out, but that isn't too bad, to be honest. And in here is just where we keep our spare drinks and just my pegs, and I've got a spare pink stuff. This cupboard here is Penny's cupboard, so we've got her bottles here, so this isn't too bad, to be honest. I've got some spare oat milk. That shelf is just, I just ignore that. I pretend I don't see it. We've got some spare drinks here and just some pre-made milk for when we go out, and these are just kind of like her thermal carriers, and that's just my breastfeeding bits that I am eventually going to be getting rid of, but I just can't bring myself to do it just yet. So yeah, I'm gonna prop you in the corner. Yeah, I'm gonna, hi, talking behind the camera. So yeah, excuse how I look today. We're in full cleaning mode. I'm gonna hopefully move into the kitchen and sort the fridge out. I don't know if I'm gonna completely blitz the kitchen because it is still half term here. It's quiet because Ollie's actually gone to football, but yeah, I'm just taking advantage of having an hour to get these little jobs done, which is what I've wanted to do for so long. I'm going to film a little reel as well, so if you see me like fiddling around in the background with my phone, I'm just filming a reel to put on my Instagram. I do probably want to head up to Ollie's bedroom after because Tom has told me it is disgusting, and for Tom to say it's disgusting, it's going to be in a bit of a state. So yeah, I might jump up there, I don't know, we'll see how I feel, but yeah, we're going to start in the utility and give the utility a little TLC, and then I'm probably just going to give the downstairs toilet, which is in this door here, just a little once over. That I do that quite often, so that isn't too hard a job. But yeah, let's get you set up and you can watch me work away in the background. So if you are new to my channel, I just thought I'd really quickly pop on and explain a little bit more about this space that I call my like utility area. So this actually, fun fact, was a shed that had a plastic roof, like a temporary roof on it. So yeah, my husband Tom converted it all last year, extended the back out and created this space. When we found out I was pregnant, I just knew I needed a better setup because I knew like my washing would go crazy and I just needed an area for like the bottle setup. So yeah, and we also have a downstairs toilet in this area. I don't actually show you that in this video, but if you've seen any of my other videos you would have seen it. I am actually gonna put together a video because I have got some footage of before this was even converted and like the process of some of the building work, so I'm going to put that together because I think that'll be a really fun video. But yeah, in this video I just stick to the utility because I've been wanting to have like a setup where I've got labels on my little jars and I've got my like washing essentials on hand, my fabric conditioner, my incense boosters and my tabs. And if I'm being really honest, this area has been neglected, so it needed a good wipe down, just a good sort out and a bit of a declutter. And I can't believe what I just got on that minky cloth. That just goes to show how long I have been putting this off. So yeah, I'm not going to talk too much more. I'm just gonna let you enjoy the video, and everything where I've bought the products, the labels, the jars, I'll link in the description bar. But if you want to know anything that I haven't listed, just leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to answer them for you.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
So in my description bar, it's actually on the screen now as well. If you do want to follow me over on Instagram, my link is in the description. You just click that and I'd love to have you as one of my followers on Instagram. I post, I would say, almost daily on my stories, always just having a bit of a catch up. And the reel that I uploaded to Instagram, which is basically like a transformation of the little glass jar setup. So yeah, if you want to have a little look how that video turned out, then you can head over to Instagram to have a little look.
I'll kick my shoes up if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. It's really a bad risk deception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero